Let them loose on the world.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah, what
When
did
do
you
we
just
get
say?
to the let them loose on the
You know what's in there? Is it a whole can?
It's sugar syrup.
Can you get a pair of pliers, Bob?
I do. You want me to go get them?
What about that
Looks like
tape
if you
thing?
had
Isn't
something
that
to
there
pull
to
it with,
lift
you'd
it up?
like it, would it?
Yeah, I just don't want to
Oh.
yank too hard on that and knock the queen out, because then I'd have to dig down, my hand down in a big pile of bees to get her out.
Don't you have gloves in that headgear?
Do you have a problem with that,
You
Ryan?
don't need that yet.
Nah. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, don't drop the queen in the box. They say everybody does that.
Oh.
Holy shit.
Where is she?
It's a big can.
Okay, some of them are going to get out. Alright. Okay. Alright, and turn it upside down. Oh, there wasn't much of a hole there. Okay, so, let's see, I got rubber bands on... Can you go grab that in that box? And she's still alive in there. You can see... Let me get my bee brush. Brush them off here, but... You can see her in there, and she's got a big spot on her.
She's got
I don't know
a
if
big smile.
you can... Smile. Yeah, she's probably ready to...
camera.
I don't know if you can see that, Dad. But she's doing fine in there. And she's got like a white spot on her back.
Do they all
She's
have
not
a white
turning
spot
around.
on their back?
Oh,
No,
yeah.
just the queen.
Right,
And there's let's see. Oh.
Lots that we found on gemstone.
How those guys put that thing together? You need help? Doesn't look like it.
Alright, so now you can see the candy in there. So the bees will just eat through that and let her out, but it'll take them a little while to do it, and while they're doing that, it kind of gets them acclimated.
But you didn't drop the queen, which is cool.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do, let's see, I got rubber bands here.
Rubber bands.
Yes, I can just...
I'm not figured that out.
I guess with this thing I can just hang her on there, but I might rubber band her down too, just to be safe.
Can you leave some of them out?
Yeah. You don't have to get every last one of them, they say. Alright. So, then I just put the frames back in. You got to kind of move these around to do that.
Are they going to figure out where the queen is?
Yeah, I think so. There's a bunch of them on her already. Need to get at least...
Males then?
No, all females.
Yeah, I think this is a good spot for them.
Yeah, I think this will work.
Are they finding their way in?
There's been a dozen of them go in.
Oh, yeah?
Probably 2 or 3 dozen come out.
So the bottom one?
Most of them went in the bottom one.
Oh.
I've seen 2 or 3 go in the top one. 2, I guess, is remember. There's a bunch of them still hanging around the box. A few of them went inside the box. I mean the shipping container.
Yeah. Yeah, there's still a lot of sugar on that, so they're probably just still just happy to feed off of
Chow down.
what sugar is left. Yeah. Yeah, I think that was a real good idea. Well, hopefully this isn't too windy for them. I mean, they do say they, you know, it's good to have them in as a reasonable amount of sun, because if you get too much shade,